This is the XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN connection for free on this device. So first of all, connect your tablet to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. In order to do what has been mentioned previously, we'll use the free Play Store app that is called TurboVPN. So let's just go ahead and download it. After that, you gotta launch it, then agree on the terms and continue. Let me quickly rotate my tablet to the portrait mode. So once at the app, tap on this little caret icon over here. Wait until your device gets connected to the VPN. And skip this little ad you have. Over here, by tapping on the server, you can change it if you want to connect to some other server or country. Once you're ready to turn the VPN off, simply tap on this cross sign at the bottom and choose the disconnect option. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.